Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if the search indexing was turned off on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type services. Click on open it guys. In services you just need to search for Windows search service. You just need to right click on it and select restart guys. And after restarting this service you just need to close it off here. And now go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now in the command prompt window you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it guys. Press enter. Opens up troubleshoot and help prevent computer problem. Click on this advanced option and apply repairs automatically. Check mark it and select next. Select whatever problems having specifically. Select it and select next and see that has resolved the problem. Go to search menu and type search indexing option. Click on open it guys. Now in here you just need to select the advanced option and select troubleshooting, delete and rebuild index. Click on rebuild. Rebuilding the index might take a long time to complete. Some views and search results might be incomplete until rebuilding is finished. Click on OK to start the process. Wait for it guys. After finishing indexing complete, you just need to close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, your problem will be solved guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.